Are you looking to carry a spare tire on your RZR Pro XP? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with their heavy-duty spare tire carrier, and today we're going to show you how super quick it is to get it installed. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go through and remove all 4 of your Allen-headed screws out of the clamp. We've already removed 2 from this side, and we removed all of them from the opposite side. Take the spare tire carrier. We'll get one side kind of laid into position. This is something that's definitely a little bit easier if you have somebody to help you, but you can do it by yourself. If you do it by yourself, just do it just like we're going to do it here. We'll get 2 started on the outside just because they're easiest to get to. And we'll do the same kind of thing over here on this opposite side. Okay, so now our spare tire carrier, it's stationary, it's not gonna move on us. This is where you need to figure out, is this where you wanna have your spare tire carrier, or do you want it up a little bit farther? As you can see, we kind of marked out where we wanted ours with the blue line there. So what we're gonna do, so we'll just take some pressure off of it, and just gonna scoot it up there to that blue line. And we'll drop our hardware through, pull some tension off of it, get the clamp started. Make sure that you don't cross thread any hardware or anything like that. Make sure everything's started nice and straight. Just kind of hand tighten them with your socket or Allen wrench, whatever you're using. Then once we have everything good and started, we'll go through. And we'll want to get the gap about the same on both sides, and then we'll go through and start torquing them down in an X pattern. As you can see there, we got a nice even gap on either side. That's what you're looking for. Once we get everything kind of tight, we'll just go through, fully tighten it. And then once we have everything fully tightened, we'll go back through in an X pattern, just to make sure they're all evenly tightened down. So we'll start there, go here, and go here, and here. And we'll do the same exact thing for the opposite side. So once you went through, fully tightened all your hardware, you're ready to throw your spare tire on and hit the trail. That's how easy it is to install SuperATV's spare tire carrier on this Polaris RZR Pro XP. For more information on this spare tire carrier or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.